Hola chicas, bienvenidas, welcome a la clase de español. So we're gonna take a look at how our class is gonna be looking at, like what can you expect and what you should be looking for. Each day, as you see here, you're gonna have day announcement. So March 16th, it will be there per day. It says Monday, lunes, and here are your instructions. For example, for today, we're gonna start looking at our vocabulary for the unit. So here in your Google Classroom, you're gonna go to where it says classwork. Yeah, and you can see that I have many activities. It won't show up in yours until the class time. So since today our class time is at 11:02 to 11:45, 11:05 to 11:45, that's when you can expect to see the videos or the activities for the day. Okay, how do they work? So you see the ones that say Ed Puzzle, like this one today, it's the one we're gonna be working on. When you look at it, you're gonna have a few questions as you look at it at the video. Make sure that you answer those questions because the program is gonna show me who watches the video and what kind of answers you have, and I could give you feedback based on that. Also, this is what's gonna allow me to know who is on class on time and who is participating. Okay, so your attendance will come from these kind of activities. Okay, let's go back to our class for the day. If I can make it work. Let's see. Okay, so here it's the video for today. And let's go back to your announcements where you will be able to see your other activities of the day. So while you're watching the video, make sure you have your binder, pen and pencil. You're gonna be taking notes of the vocabulary. Okay, and then, like I said, answer the questions. And when you're done, you have 2 activities from your packet. Here, in case you have, I'm writing the pages of the packet in your Blackboard, where it says the classwork assignments. I wrote the pages that show on your packet. So for example, this first activity will be page 10. I'm putting the pictures here, 1, just in case you lost it, or 2, just to confirm that you know which activities we're gonna be completing from your packet. So activity number 1 will be here, the family. It's like a grade 1 where you're supposed to finish inputting the vocabulary. And the activity number 2, which is the family tree. For the family tree, make sure that you write the name of your relatives and then your relationship with you. I'm gonna open this picture so I can explain something else. So you start here are your grandparents. Then you move to your parents, your mother, your father, your uncles or aunts, and then your siblings. If you have more than this on uncles or aunts or less than this, fill out just the spaces you need. If you need more spaces, feel free to fill it out like underneath over here. Yeah, so it's basically looking for your grandparents, your parents with uncles or aunts, and then your siblings. Okay, if you have a question while completing this assignment, please send me an email. I highly recommend that you have your email open right away. Or another way to find me is that if you go here into your menu, you're gonna find chat. Yes, and you have to do the whole setup. Okay, and then you can find me. So you had all the people showing up here, and then you select the person and start typing. Okay, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. Ask me questions ahead of time. For those of you who haven't still sent me your video for the exam, you still have time. Make sure that you submitted it. If you're having trouble submitting by sending it through email, make sure you download your Google Drive app to your phone. That way you can upload it there and share with me. That's probably the easiest way to do it. When you are sending the pictures, you see how clear my pictures were? I used the app I told you, the screen photo. If you are not using it, make sure that there is light, that the paper can be seen, and that I see the whole paper. The camera has to be right above it, not like on an angle or something. If it's difficult for me to read it, I'm gonna ask you to send me the picture again. Again, if you have questions, please do not hesitate to contact me.